respected my class in charge and all my dear friends, a very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Vanshika.
I, Vanshika from Proud 9th D grade is standing here to play role as a teacher for mastering the concept, and my topic is lines and angles, which is related from our subject mathematics. So friends, let's start. Our topic is lines and angles. Which is related from our subject mathematics. So let's start. Friends, to understand this topic, firstly we will know about point. What is point? Point is a mark of position. It has no length, no breadth, no height. Point is a mark of position. It has no length, no breadth, and no height. Now I will tell you about line segment and ray. Yes, what is point? Shagun?
Point is the mark of position. It has no length and no breadth.
Yes, right answer, sit down. Point is So now I will tell you about line segment and ray. What is line? A line has no end point. It has no. A line has
No end point.
It has no definite length. It has
No definite length.
We can extend line from both sides. We can
Extend line from both sides.
line from
Both sides.
both sides. Now, line segment. A line segment has two endpoints. Line segment has
Two end points.
It has a definite length. It has a
Definite length.
definite.
Length.
We cannot extend line segment from any side. We cannot extend line segment from any side.
Line segment from any side.
Now about ray. A ray has no end point, but it has one starting point. A ray has not no end point, but it has one starting point. Starting point. We can extend ray from one side. We can extend ray from one side. Now I will tell you about angles. Angle. Two rays with a common vertex. What is angle? Two rays common vertex with a common vertex. suppose these are our two rays. If they joins on one vertex, they form an angle. So ABC, there is angle A. These two rays, these are the two rays, they form the angle. This is the vertex. Now what is angle? Two rays with a common vertex. Types of angle. We come on topic types of angle. There are 7 types of angle. There are 7 types of angle. First angle is 0 degree angle. 0 degree angle. The angle whose measure is exact 0 degree. Whose measure is exact 0 degree. Exact 0 degree. For example, AB. This is the 0 angle. Now our second is acute angle. Second is acute angle. What is acute angle? The angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. The angle whose measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. This is our acute angle. Now third one is right angle. Third is right angle. What is right angle? The angle whose measure is exact 90 degree. Whose measure is exact 90 degree is called right angle. This is our right angle of exact 90 degree. Now is obtuse angle. Now obtuse angle. Which is obtuse angle? The angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Whose measure is more. This is our obtuse angle of 120 degree. Now I will tell you about straight angle. Our next is straight angle. The angle whose exact measure is 180 degree. The angle whose exact measure is 180 degree. This is our 180 degree angle. This is our 180 degree angle. Now reflex angle. Now the angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Less than 360 degree. This is our reflex angle of 210 degree. This is our reflex angle. Now I will tell you about complete angle. Our last is complete angle. The angle whose exact measure is 360 degree. The angle whose exact measure is 360 degree. This is our complete angle of 360 degree. This is all about from my side. Thanks and have a nice day.